You can apply for is 250K. You will put in your business email address and what the money is used for. I recommend you do marketing, other business purpose, working capital, equipment, or inventory. Those are some of the best ones. So once you hit this, you'll go ahead, fill out the application, fill out your business, information, business address, EIN, DUNS number, business, bank statements. You need at least 6 months, 2-year bank statements. Most likely they'll ask a minimum 3 to 6 months. So the minimum they'll give you is $5,000. Fixed monthly payments, 1 to 5 years term. You can actually pick when you finish the application, they'll give you about 3 to 4 options, and you will have to pick the one that fits your budget and your needs. But there's no repayment penalties, and they will provide you with a advisor to finish the application and go through the application process, and you will have to sign a couple of times. But once everything is done, you should get your money within 1 or 2 days max. But if there is a halt on your application, it will take a little longer. So they gave out over 90 billion in loans. There's 5 million members. So for the questions, it says, how are you eligible? So it's 12 months or more in the business. You have to make at least $50,000 in annual sales. So you can still have a low profit margin and make 50K a year in just revenue, and you should be straight. And of course, you have to be in the US. In the UK, if you're in the UK or Canada, you will have to go through your the websites that are on that search engine, and you have to own at least 20%. So you could be a co-founder of the business and apply as well, but it's better if you're the CEO of the company. Yeah, so 12 months in bit. So if you're just starting fresh, guys, all you have to do is really add a business trade line or an H corp, but better yet, add both of them. And if you add both of them, guys, you can get at least 5 years of history, right? And 5 years of credit history will definitely get you way over the 6-figure loans, okay? And also the tax returns will also provide proof. So if they ask for bank statements, all you gotta do is give them tax returns instead for the replacement. And that way they will approve you without looking into your bank statements. So there are other companies you guys can go through, to be honest. Link Club is just one of them. You can try On Deck, you can try Fundio, lots of other companies, American Express. But once again, this is optional. It's pretty good, but they do have the bank accounts you guys can open with, even with a CPN. So make sure you guys have your LLC, your corporation, before you do this. But I highly recommend you guys be prepared and don't rush it. I know a lot of people who just try to apply blindly without any credit and get denied on the spot, and that will hurt you because you will get like a hard inquiry on your personal as well. Your personal credit is also important. But if you guys trying to use a shortcut, highly recommend you invest your money into business trade lines with the H corp. So these are some of the business lines and H corps. It is really expensive. There are other companies I know that charge around this price range or even more, but these are really expensive, but it is worth it in my opinion if you're trying to get into the big funding range. If you're trying to get like over $1 million, go through Goldman Sachs or Charles Schwab. But there are other lenders that offer $1 to $5 million, even with a 600 credit score. But yeah, make sure you guys have your LLC made. You can try legalzoom.com, and it should take around a month to finish. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll leave the websites below. Check out hcorp.net, and I'll see you in another video.